Welcome to Sightseeing Tube. Welcome to Paris, the city where the nights come alive. Tonight, we're taking a wild walking tour through the heart of Paris's craziest nightlife, exploring its stunning streets and soaking in the beauty that makes this city unforgettable. Paris isn't just about romance. Its nightlife is pure excitement. From the iconic Champs-Élysées to the bustling Rue de Rivoli, these streets light up with energy, and you never know what adventure lies around the next corner. Join me as we walk through the famous districts that come to life when the sun sets. From lively bars and chic clubs to the hidden gems that only locals know, this is Paris like you've never seen before. Feel the pulse of the city in Montmartre, where the party never stops. Or lose yourself in the luxurious nightlife of Saint-Germain-des-Prés. The options are endless, and so are the stories you'll make. And what would Paris be without its undeniable charm? The elegance, style, and beauty of Parisian women are just as captivating as the city itself. Their effortless grace and chic fashion light up the night. As we walk these gorgeous streets, you'll see why Paris is known for its beauty, both in its architecture and its people. Every corner is a picture-perfect moment. Paris knows how to balance wild energy with pure elegance. Whether you're here to party until dawn or take a late-night stroll through its iconic avenues, the city has something for everyone. Ready to experience Paris's wild side? Hit that subscribe button and join me as we explore more of this incredible city's nightlife, beauty, and charm. Paris at night, it's a world of its own, and I can't wait to show you more. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Share the video to your friends. Let me know your feedback in the comments below the video. Thank you for watching. See you in a new tour.